So good morning. Today we will discuss about machine design. It's a core paper of a mechanical engineering paper. It's basically a problematic paper. So let's come to discuss about introduction of this topic. Machine design is creation of new and better machines and improving the existing one. In the market there are a lot of machines is availability. In your home you can find different type of machines. In your bike there is a lot of machine components is there also. So to develop, to creation of a new better machine, there are a lot of machine design is in there in the market, but you have to create a new one or to modify that one and improving the existing one. We will be cover these parts in this topic. How to improve, how to make a better quality, how to make a new design will be considered, will be study in this chapter, right? So convert a new idea to actual reality. What are the basic needs is required? One is availability of research and money. You have a lot of money for research, for set up machine mechanism, because you are thinking to design a new product, to design a new machine. So to convert your new idea into actual reality, you need to be first availability of research and money. You have collect a lot of money, you have to be research a lot of money to invest first, to set up a technical workshop, to set up or hire a design engineer, to purchase some materials like that. And the second is the material. First point is research and money, second is the material. Third is workshop availability. Without a workshop, how can you design, right? And the third part is coming, it's a workshop availability. Then comes manpower. This for the main research is needed to convert any new idea into actual reality. Confirm, clear? Okay. Whatever you designed, that should be more economical, because already the product is in the market, right? And you are thinking to develop or to create a new design. If it is not affordable price, if it is not economical, then no one will purchase. And your company is only created for purchase the product in the market and getting a lot of financial gain. For that reason you are opening the or the solve the problem, burning problem of the persons. These are the 2 points. If the product is not economical, then no one going to be purchase your product, right? So let's come to the another part. To design any product, what are the basic knowledge we have to be gained, so that we can create, we can develop a new design if better way, and we can compete the market, right? What are the technical skill, what are the knowledge, good knowledge you have to be take or absorb. First is the mathematics. To design any product, you need to be a very sound knowledge and mathematics. Second, machine engineering mechanics. A lot of mechanism will be applied to create a new machine. So to know all the mechanism, you need to be very clear about engineering mechanics. Then comes to strength of material. You will be use some of materials in there in your product, but the product, how much strength, how much stress it can take that material, you need to be calculate, because if you make a product and can take strength, high strength, and can take high stress, then that will be failure project, right? So how can you calculate the strength? By knowing the strength of materials. Then theory of machine, you need to be know about all the mechanism, all the product details, all the machine details which is cover in the theory of machine part. Then comes to 5 number part is a workshop process. Because to design any product, you will be go to the workshop, and there are lot of machine in workshop like lathe, shaper, milling, drilling, bench vise, lots of tools is there like file, scriber, steel rules, many things, right? You have a good knowledge of every tools, the working of every tools, the working of machines, lathe machines, shaper machine, milling machines, all that. Then only you can create a new job. You can do a machining process in workshop after gaining the knowledge in workshop, right? Then engineering drawing. Without a drawing, there is no existing of engineering. Without engineering drawing, there is no existing of engineering. To create any product, to develop any product, to modify any product, you need to give your idea thought to another engineer. To send your idea, your thoughts, your planning, your new innovations to different company, to different engineer. The talking language between two engineer is this engineering drawing. So you need to be very clear with engineering drawing, right? So after getting this 6 part, after very clear about in this 6 part, you can do a machine designing part, and these are the very first necessary points to convert your idea to real part. This much is actually in our introduction part. For the next, we will be go for the next chapter. For today, thank you so much.